64 minus 24 equals 40. 40 divided by 4 equals 10, and 10 times 2 equals 20. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: subtraction, division and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority over subtraction, but we must work from left to right. So between multiplication and division, division is on the left side, so we need to solve this first. 24 divided by 4, that gives us 6. Our expression simplifies to 64 minus 6 times 2. Now we have a multiplication and subtraction operator present here. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority, so 6 times 2, that gives us 12. And finally 64 minus 12, that gives us 52, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.